one. We're going to start doing work type word problems. The first one, and I have two of them here. The first one is Jada could do 4 jobs in 7 hours, and Mason could do 7 jobs in 5 hours. How many hours would it take them working together to do 10 jobs? So the first thing we want to do is look at Jada. Now Jada can do 4 jobs in 7 hours. And then we're going to let T be the hours. Let's just T equal hours. And then we have, who's the other person? Mason. Mason can do the job 7 jobs in 5 hours. And then we have T. And together we're going to assume that their rates are the same when they work together. So this is going to equal 10. So we need to see how many hours it will take for them to work together. So the first thing I'm going to do is just multiply this through by 35. This is our equation. So when you multiply by through by 35, you get 20t plus 49t equals 350. All right? And then you're going to add these two up. You get 69t equals 350. So t, therefore, is 350 divided by 69. If you want to put that in the calculator, you can, but we can leave it like that. So that's your final hours. So this was hours. Now I have another problem, so I want you to try. It's almost exactly the same. Dale could draw 5 graphs every 4 hours. Jean could draw 3 graphs every 2 hours. How many hours would it take Dale and Jean working together to draw 11 graphs? So try to pause the video and try to do this. It's very similar to the one we just did. And then check your answer. So pause it and try to do it, and then check your answer. Now I'm going to do this one a little bit different, not much. The rate for Dale equals 5 graphs every 4 hours. So this is graphs per hour. All right. And then for the rate for Jean equals 3 graphs every 2 hours. So that's graphs per hour. All right. And their time equals the rate of Dale plus the rate of Jean. And that equals 11. So when you set up your equation, the time equals T. We're going to have T, which is your time, times 5/4. I'm doing this one just a little different. If you did it the other way, that's fine. Equals 11. And so T, if you add these two up, you get 22 over 8 equals 11. Now you just multiply both sides by 8 over 22. And when you do that, you're going to get T equals 11, which equals, or you're going to basically not get T equal 11. You're going to get T equals 4 hours. That's by 11, sorry. 4 hours total. Okay, because basically 11 goes into 22 2 times, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Class, Miss Shaw's class. Boy, I love math. Miss Shaw's class, Miss Shaw's class.
Don't fail! Watch Miss Shaw's videos for free.